Hi everyone. Today we will discuss a very important Google Chrome extension coding related called Competitive Companion. How much this extension is important, then we will discuss today. That if I give you a problem to do this and submit this in code forces, then you have to write the full code here, right? Or you can write the full code in your VS Code. But the problem is about input and output setup. So if you want to set up this input and output code forces data from your VS into your VS Code, it will be very lengthy process. So here is a shortcut for you guys. You have to download a Google Chrome extension called Competitive Companion. Competitive Companion gives us the okay, it gives us the solution about this. You have to download. So I download this before. You have to just add this extension in your browser. That's why I pin this extension in my browser for my saves of quick coding hack. And then you have to install another extension in your VS Code. The extension name is also related the competitive companion. The extension is here. Its name is Competitive Programming Helper. You have to see the logo. You have to download the same code from same competitive companion from your VS Code. Its name Competitive Programming Helper. Then install it. As you can see, here is the install option. That means I have installed it before. You have to install this extension. So finally you have to download two extension. One extension in your Chrome browser, the name is competitive companion. Then another extension is Competitive Programming Helper. After you download this both extension, let's see if you have on this problem called a sum in code forces. You just have to click this extension button for transfer your all data into the VS Code. Just click on this, then it will load here. Just follow my cursor. It is load here. Then come to the VS Code. Yeah, I use CPP, that's why here showing there CPP. If you use Python, doesn't matter which language you use, it will show over there. Okay, then press the enter button and then see the magic. All the data as you can see in code forces, all the data input output here, yes no, as you see here, all the data is transferred in our VS Code app. So now you can easily write the code here, and you can test the code in your VS Code app here. And also you can check, you can add any customize test case, clicking on the new test case option. Then you have to put input expected output here as your necessary point. So that's it. If you hustle now doing coding in Codeforces or Code Ninja type website, you can also transfer your all input output data in VS Code through the two extension. One extension in Google Chrome extension called Competitive Companion, and the another extension is named is Programming Helper. I will provide both extension link in my comment section. I will pin it, or otherwise I will provide both extension link in my description box of YouTube. So thank you.